The taste of this fruit cannot be described in terms of the senses. Senses, mind, and limited intellect cannot really experience the taste. The taste of the fruit is bliss absolute, Paramananda. You become joyous even when you take something tasty and delightful. But that taste is far from the absolute taste. And you cannot mathematically multiply that one Rasgulla tastes wonderful. Brahman must be 1,000,000 Rasgullas. I'm joking. You cannot multiply worldly pleasure and say Brahman is 1,000,000 times that type of. But then, for encouraging spiritual aspirants, the language is used that way. That God is like thousands suns blazing together. The mathematical terms are used only for a purpose. Though fully ripe, it does not fall like fruits of ordinary trees. It is not born of any tree. It exists without roots, branches, flowers, or leaves. This fruit is your wisdom of revelation, Brahman alone. The entire universe is Brahman. That wisdom is being brought out through the simile of the pilwa fruit.